The Lok Sabha on Monday approved a tabling of the Citizenship Amendment Bill 2019 with 293 votes. The bill, which was introduced by the Home Minister Amit Shah in the Lok Sabha here on Monday. Dojing Phang Pipe Water Supply Scheme under Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council's PHE department was reported to have been inaugurated at Bheta Gaon under Dhansari constituency. And Assam Sipak Takraw team was informed to have been left for Hyderabad to participate in the 23rd Junior National Championship 2019. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Cut News. You are watching the mainstream at 6. I am Sarim. So now the news in details. The Lok Sabha on Monday approved a tabling of the Citizenship Amendment Bill 2019 with 293 votes for the bill. The bill, which was introduced by Home Minister Amit Shah in the Lok Sabha here on Monday. The Union Home Minister Amit Shah said while introducing the bill that the bill is not against the minorities but against infiltrator. He added that the Congress divided the country on the basis of religion and that is why it was necessary to bring the bill.
मैं कह दूं, ये बिल की जरूरत क्यों पड़ी है? जब देश का आजादी मिला तब धर्म के आधार पर विभाजन अगर कांग्रेस पार्टी न करती तो ये बिल की जरूरत न पड़ती। किसने किया धर्म के आधार पर विभाजन? किसने किया धर्म के आधार पर विभाजन? इस देश का विभाजन धर्म के आधार पर कांग्रेस पार्टी ने किया है।
Amit Shah said the proposed legislation is being brought on the basis of reasonable classifications provided under the Constitution and it doesn't violate any of its provision. He said the bill seeks to give Indian nationality to the non-Muslim refugees from Pakistan, Bangladesh and Afghanistan who are facing religious persecution there. The Home Minister said laws were framed to give citizenship to people on several occasions in the past by using provision for reasonable classification, including in 1971 after creation of Bangladesh and attacks on Indians in Uganda. Dojing Phang Pipe Water Supply Scheme under Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council's Public Health Engineering Department was reported to have been inaugurated at Bheta Gaon under Dhansari constituency here on Monday. The water supply scheme was inaugurated around 10:30 this morning. It was inaugurated by Executive Member of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, Mr. Pradeep Dipusa, in presence of Executive Member of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council in charge for Public Health Engineering, Mr. Pradeep Rongpi. Alright, so let's slip into a little short break here at the mainstream at 6, but lots more coming up on the other side. Do stay with us.
Start here, right anywhere. Isan Motors authorized dealer of Royal Enfield, Rongkhelan near Don Bosco School, Dipu, 782460 Assam. Easy finance available here. For more information, contact 700-280-5342 and 8812-805591 or you can mail isanmotorsk@gmail.com. Kanj Shopping Mall is a Gulf of Assam enterprise under Hill Areas Department. A glorious 1 year now.
Here's everything you need: groceries and household supplies, cosmetics, personal care and skincare essentials, appliances and electronics, stationery, men's and women's clothing along with tribal clothing. Shopping Mall, Difu Manja Road, Manja Industrial Complex, 782461, Manja, Karbi Anglong, Assam.
Welcome back to the Mainstream at 6. Assam Sepak Takraw team was informed to have been left for Hyderabad to participate in the 23rd Junior National Championship 2019, which is to be started from 11th to 15th of December at VPG Indoor Stadium in Hyderabad. Honorary General Secretary of Assam Sepak Takraw Association, also Vice President of Assam Olympic Association, Mr. Bishnuram Nilusar, told Kat News that the team left this morning around 6:30 in Bengaluru Express from Guwahati here on Monday. Well, that's a wrap of this edition at the Mainstream at 6, but lots more coming up on the other side. Keep watching Kat News.